How to transfer Roblox account to another device. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. In this instructional video, I'll be demonstrating the process of transferring your Roblox account to a different device. It's a simple and a quick process, so be sure to follow along carefully. First and foremost, it is important to note that this process is applicable whether you're using a phone or a computer, so the type of the device does not really matter. In order to successfully transfer your Roblox account, you must have your username and your password readily available. If you happen to forget this information, you can easily recover it by clicking on Forgot Password or Username when logging in another device. By entering your Roblox email address in the first box and entering the password in the second box, which is the same email used to create your account, you can change your password and retrieve your username as well. To transfer your account to a different device, simply log in using your username and password on the same device. Once you have completed this step, your account will be successfully transferred. So this is basically on how can you transfer the Roblox account to another device. I trust that this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.